y'all, it's me, Alex. Today I'm doing just a little get ready with me using my Lime Crime Venus 2 palette, which has like been discontinued, but I was like really feeling this sort of look, and I did like a little bit of subtle-ish yellow blush. I feel really cute. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name's Alex. I use they, them pronouns. I do makeup, I love horror and knitting, and I have a bunch of pets, and yeah, it's an overall fun time around these parts, especially now that I'm actually posting videos. Anyway, if you want to see what I did to get this look, then just keep watching. So I got my haircut Saturday, and like, it's so gender. Like, I dyed my hair that night, and just like, such fluff, such shine, such like keeping my natural wave and texture without me having to do much to it. Yeah, so I'm priming my eyes. I'm kind of like trying to do this to like kind of look like my shirt a little bit with like the yellow and the blue. This shall be a very simple eye look because I want to see if I can get a little walk in. I also just absolutely poke myself in the eye while doing my primer, so that's really great. We're off to a really great start. So I'm gonna use my Lime Crime Venus 2 palette because I've been feeling this quite a bit over the past couple days, as in I wore it Saturday and Sunday, and it's Monday now. So I'm gonna primarily use mustard and filter and maybe a little bit of fly. We'll see how things progress, but I want to do like mustard as a primary color with a pop of the blue on the inner corner, and maybe just use fly to like add a little bit of like dimension to the lid. So I'm just taking this and starting it on the outer corner, both upper and lower lash line. I like to kind of put whatever crease shade I'm using on my lower lash line because I feel like that helps it look more cohesive. I'm just dusting it all over my lid. I'm not nearly as like precise. You have to use a certain brush to do a certain thing. No, like if I'm doing a one shadow look, I'm just gonna use one brush. Is this like great? Like it might not be the perfect technique or anything like that, but like it looks good. I didn't realize this palette had been discontinued. I get it that like it's been around for a very long time, at least in terms of like Lime Crime makeup, but like dang, kind of a bummer because this is probably my favorite color scheme. I mean, I only own 2 Lime Crime palettes. I have one more on the way. I have this one and the Venus 3, which I also, no, I think the Venus 3 is still around. I'm not sure about the original Venus. But I did just order the Venus XL 2. So like the big version of this, it's all like kind of like natural grungy pinky tones. So I'm gonna be excited when that comes in. It should be coming in like in the next couple of days, because I think with the sort of like natural but interesting, like neutral but interesting looks I've been going for, especially a lot like with work, I think that'll be really fun. I've been liking this palette a lot over the past literal 2 days. I don't know. I've just been trying to really dig into my collection and enjoy the things that I have. Like, I haven't been paying that much attention to like what's been discontinued and what hasn't been. More just like, what do I actually want to put on my face? With the amount of stuff that I do have and enjoy that isn't around anymore, I think I will end up doing like a discontinued favorites video. I'm gonna use this sort of brush with filter on the inner corner, and I'm gonna make it like hella dramatic. But I think a discontinued favorites video would be super good, because I feel like for all of us alt grungy people, we don't get a lot of favorites that stick around. That just doesn't happen to us, because like either it's discontinued, the brands change ownership, or like the brands just straight up don't exist anymore. Oh, that's pretty. I like it. I could honestly leave it like this, but I do kind of just want to use a little bit of fly just to like, you know, between the two. I realize like I don't use very technical terms to explain makeup, but I feel like if you know, some people out there speak my language. So I'm just not gonna use any like glitter glue or anything like that, because I feel like Lime Crime's shimmer shadows are just very soft. So yeah, but just putting that all over my lid, especially trying to concentrate that to where the blue and the yellow meet, I feel like is very good. And then I'm just gonna use the brush that I used with mustard and just blend that into the crease. Yeah, but that's good. I can just leave the eyes like this. I'm actually gonna do my face before I go back and finish off the eyes because I can't decide if I want to do eyeliner with it or not, because I think that this could look really cute. I also think it could look good with liner. So I want to see what happens to the rest of my face first, because I feel like that will likely alter what I end up doing depending on the rest of my face. So I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Halo Glow, which is still slightly too dark for me. I don't know if y'all can like hear my earrings, but like they be jingling. Ooh, that's not gonna leave my hair like that, but I have to get to my forehead. I'm glad I decided to keep my bangs this time, because I feel like the last few times I've gotten my hair cut, I've been like, yeah, show my forehead. But like, my face looks better with like a little bit of bangs, I think. You know what would honestly be really cute with this look? What if I did something that I don't normally? What if I go in with my bronzer like normal, and then I do like just a hint of yellow blush? So let me bronze my face and then see what, I know I have like a shadow that I very, very occasionally use as a yellow blush. So we'll just probably go with that one if I can find it. But yeah, gotta make sure I look like I go outside first. So this is Butter Cupcake from Sugar Pill. I've used this like twice as a blush. I'm not a big bold blush person because I feel like it usually doesn't work super well with my skin tone. But this one like kind of works if I use like a light hand with it. So I'm gonna like take it up here and maybe blend it into my eyeshadow a little bit. Okay, I think I can do that. You can like kind of see the difference. I don't know if it like looks good. Cause like I'm going to the doctor, they just think that I need to like, that I'm like jaundiced or anything, but it's like, no, it's part of the aesthetic. No, they see me in like weird makeup all the time actually. And the nurses usually compliment me on it. My doctor doesn't care. He's like, are you feeling good? And I'm like, eh. And he's like, we'll fix that. Literally, so this is my pain management doctor. Literally like the first time I ever came to him, he was like, I want you to feel so good. I want to help you so much so that one day you'll walk into my office and say, I love you, doctor, but I don't need you anymore. So he's like very determined to help me, and that feels really nice. But all that is to say, yeah, I can probably get away with some weird makeup. Okay, let me actually look how like this looks in the mirror, because I was doing this in the viewfinder. Don't know if it'll translate. Oh wait, that's like kind of cute. Just to kind of like soften it up a tiny bit. I'm gonna do a little bit of my Creature blush that was in my favorites video from Ione Cosmetics and just layer that like on the cheeks portion. Yeah, that looks good. I think I am gonna like do a little bit of eyeliner with this. And I think I'm also gonna layer just a touch of this highlight like on my cheekbone itself. I'm so glad I work from home on Mondays, that way I can do makeup like this and not scare people. Because like I wear weird makeup to work a lot, but I try not to go too overboard because they like, when I first came on the job I wasn't wearing that much makeup, and I feel like even though this is a lot closer to what I like to wear on a day-to-day, obviously I'm like, might scare a few people who were not used to that. So let me put some powder on my face so I don't like grease away the day. Shiny forehead time, shiny forehead time. And let me check like my lip gloss situation, because I feel like lip gloss could look super cute with this. If I have the right one though. I'm gonna do that before I do my eyeliner. So this is Oasis from Fluid, which I think is like a gold shimmer, which I think would look really cute. Because I was gonna do liquid lipstick, but I feel like that would be a little much with this eye look. That's a little too millennial, and this look is very Gen Z, I think. And I am on the cusp. Oh yeah, this is good. I'm gonna do eyeliner, but I'm gonna have to be quiet while I do it because in my time of like being depressed and not doing much makeup, I have to concentrate a lot more when I do eyeliner now because I am just out of practice. By the way, if you're wondering what eyeliner I use, this is the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liquid liner, and it is in ultra black. There we go, nice long wing on both sides. I like to like do the line on both sides before I go in and fill it in. I feel like it's easier to make it even that way. Anyway, gonna actually shut up now. I just wanted to explain that first. Okay, and because like the main work here on the wings is done, I do like to go over it with a dark black eyeshadow. This is Bonnie from the Melt Gemini palette. That's just kind of what I've been using recently as my matte black for this. But I just feel like this one isn't quite as black as it could be, and it's a little shiny, so I like to have a good matte eyeliner. So going over top of it with a matte black shadow is really good for kind of enhancing it. I'll show you like. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell the difference between like, so I just like covered this one in matte black shadow and this one I haven't yet, but I think you can kind of see the difference on camera, but I love the look of this one so much better. Mascara time and then I'll be done. So curling my lashes. I need to buy new mascara, but that takes effort, so. So that's it, I'm done. I hope you like this look. I hope you enjoyed this little get ready with me. I'm super happy with how this turned out. Yeah, I'm gonna be taking a lot of pictures like right after this. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this. This was super fun. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should really give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, like do that. That would be great. And I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Bye!